the next topic that you are going to learn in multiplications is the lattice method. I know this method is very new for you. So let me explain it with an example of one digit only. Now you know how to form the tables or how to multiply, right? Now let me take 7 into 3. I know you know the tables, but in this lattice method how we have to solve it, because this is a block making field, and then how you have to divide that block. Now first thing is you will make this block, okay? Is it clear? After making this block you will divide this into two parts. Now this part is for ones and this part is for tens. Okay, so always remember, when we make a block for this one number, one block is made and this 3 will be written down. Okay, and this is for ones, and this, the upper part will represent the number at tens place. Now when we multiply 7 into 3, that is 21. In 21, 1 is at ones place, so this 1 will be written here, and 2 is at tens place. So this 2 will be written this way. So this is 21. Let me take one more example. If I take 8 multiplied by 4, okay, here you can write directly as is equal to 21. Again I will make a block and divide it into two parts. This part will represent ones and this part will represent tens. Okay, now I will write 8 here and 4 here. 8 4s is 32, where I will write that 2 will be written at ones place and 3 will be written at tens place. So this you can write as 32. This is clear. When it is one digit, only one block. But what will happen if it is a two digit number? Okay, the same thing, I'll just change the numbers. Suppose if I say 12 multiplied by 3. Okay, now what I will do, here there are two digits, so I will make two blocks for this. Here how many digit? Only one, so this one block. So this will be divided into two parts. Here I will write 3, this will be 2 and this will be written as 1. Okay, again I will divide these blocks into ones and tens column. This is ones and this is tens, again this is ones and this is tens. Okay, so first let me multiply 1 by 3. So 1 3s is 3, 3 is at ones place, so 3 I will write here. This 2 3s is again 6, so I will write 6 here. Nothing is here, now I will have to write it this way. This is 6, this column is empty, this will be written as 3. So it is 12 3s will be 30, this will be written as 36. Fine. Now one more example. Now we will increase the numbers. Okay. Now 12 multiplied by 7. How many blocks for this 12? 2 blocks for this 12. And how many blocks for this 7? Only one block for this 7, right? So this is for 1 and this is for 2. Again divide it into columns. This is ones, this is tens, this is ones and this is tens. Now we will multiply. 1 7s is 7. 2 7s is 14. Now 14 how we have to write? 4 will be written at ones place and 1 will be written at tens place. Now what we have to do? Can you see these margins now? These lines can you see? In this column only 4 is there, write 4 here. In this row, 1 is there and 7 is there. So add 7 plus 1, it will be 8. So what answer I will get? 84.